Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you ready to transform your bedroom into a dazzling light show? Introducing the Tenmiro LED lights for bedroom 100-foot music sync, the ultimate game changer for your home decor. With its stunning RGB colors and easy setup, you'll be mesmerized by the endless possibilities. Imagine walking into a room where the lights pulse to the rhythm of your favorite music, creating a romantic and relaxed atmosphere that's simply irresistible. Tenmiro LED lights have been a hit with countless customers who swear by their amazing quality and versatility. One of the standout features is the music sync mode, where the LED light strip changes color in perfect harmony with the beat, making you feel like you're part of a concert. The easy-use feature allows you to control the LED strip lights via remote control or app, selecting colors, changing modes, and adjusting brightness with just a few taps. The texture of the LED strips is smooth and flexible, making it easy to stick them on any clean, dry surface, and the result is a seamless, ultra-long LED light that's perfect for decorating rooms, ceilings, desks, and even parties. The wide use of these LED lights is unparalleled, with 2 rolls of 50-foot strip lights that can cover an entire room, creating an ambience that's nothing short of breathtaking. What sets the Tenmiro LED lights apart from others is the satisfaction warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing that you're backed by a quality guarantee and 24-hour quick reply in case of problems. Whether you're looking to spice up your bedroom, create a unique party atmosphere, or simply add some flair to your desk, the Tenmiro LED lights are the perfect choice. So why wait? Get ready to experience the magic of Tenmiro LED lights and elevate your space to the next level. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.